Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to withdraw money from PrizePicks. First thing I want you to do is just launch up PrizePicks, go to the website, okay, come to the top, right click on your balance, and then just scroll down until you see right here, request withdrawal, okay, click on this, and now we'll withdraw funds. So here you can see this is our withdrawable balance, and you'll be using the same method you had used to deposit money. So one thing you need to keep in mind. So if you deposit it using PayPal, that is how you will be withdrawing that money as well. So choose PayPal if that is how you deposited it, and enter your withdrawal amount. If you want to withdraw $100, you can withdraw that, basically your whole balance. Or let's say $50, you withdraw that, hit withdraw, enter the 6-digit verification code. It will be sent to your email. Confirm that. As you can see, withdrawal request has been sent. They'll send you a confirmation email, and the funds should be arriving within 1 to 3 business days. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.